Today I'll be making some brown stew chicken liver.
Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I woke up and my taste buds they feel like they would eat some brown stew liver for dinner. So come with me, tarry with me in the kitchen while I prepare and show you how I prepare my brown stew liver for dinner. Alright, so I already prepare up my liver and wash it with vinegar water. And we're gonna season it up with some garlic, some good old complete, some island spice, all-purpose seasoning. Of course, we have to have the browning and we have to have the Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And it's a must. We have to have the scallion with thyme, with onion, sweet pepper, and also nothing can be done without the good old Scotch bonnet pepper. Right now, we're gonna just add all our seasoning to the liver. Yeah, so we add some garlic. Yeah, man, garlic for use, enough garlic for use. Then we add a pinch of all-purpose Maggi seasoning. Then we're gonna throw in some of the island spice, all-purpose seasoning as well, not much. And the nice complete, yeah, man. Your liver now go complete without a good old complete seasoning. So, add until the ancestors tell us to stop. Then right about now we're gonna add the grace browning to that. Add up your grace browning, and then we're gonna just mix it in so that the liver and the gizzard can nicely coat it. Well, not the gizzard, but that little piece there with upon the liver, that little something there, I don't remember the name. So yeah man, so once you mix everything in, it's supposed to look like this, nicely coated. Then of course we're gonna add up with nice clean seasoning. We have the Scotch bonnet right there, so the thyme right there, so little piece of sweet pepper right there, so and the scallion right there, so and enough onion. Well, for me, I love onions in my liver, so I add a good amount. And we're gonna mix it in, mix it in until all of the liver is nicely coated with all of the seasoning them. Yeah man, so we're gonna mix it in. And even though the color not look as brown, that's how it's supposed to look, but don't watch that, lovelies, don't watch that. So yeah man, I mix along away. And tell me if you love liver, or this is how I prepare my liver. If there's another way you prepare your liver, feel free to leave it down in the comment section. So once me finish mixing everything, I like to scrape on the side, get everything down there. So once I'm done that now guys, I go cover it and I go leave it, make it go and marinate. So see it there, so it will look. So I go cover it now and leave it to marinate for about 10 minutes. Alright, beautiful people, so now it's time for step 2 for preparing my chicken liver. So me personally love to deep fry my chicken liver them. So what I am doing here is shake off the cut up seasoning them, so the scallion, the onion, the sweet pepper, the pepper and all those stuff. I love to shake them off first before I deep fry it. Some people don't like to deep fry, some people rather lightly fry it before them cook it, but me personally, deep frying it give it a different taste. So yep, some of us shake them off, add them to the pot, get them deep fry, and then such and such. And the reason why I shake off the seasoning them that I cut up is because when them deep fry, them are gonna burn, and I don't like how it tastes when it burns. So yeah, I just do the dough right here. So turn them, come in want them too dark. And even though it has showed dark there, so I saw them look when them finish deep frying. So this is perfect for me. And yes, I put them back right in the pan that I had the cut up seasoning. Alright now, so now that everything fry, I go put on the pot, turn it on, and then I go stir it. So all of the juice them, the seasoned juice and stuff, and I go store them back in it while the stove is on. So stir, and when the pepper heat up, it will get thicker and thicker. So yeah, I like when that is coated on the liver pieces. So yeah, good girl, just a stir and stir and stir. And get the nice clean juice them on the liver. Yes, so when we're done, I will take a look, then me add me water. So once I add my water, I'm going to, give it a stir again. Yeah, so in this video, you're gonna see a whole heap of stirring, so just be prepared for that. Alright, so for me now, so once I stir in everything, I like to put my meat one side and I have my gravy one side here, where I'm going, just make sure the nice clean pepper. So now once we put the meat on one side, I'm gonna add the browning to the gravy, mix that in. Yeah, I tell already some I love mix. And then now I'm gonna add I'm still a mix. What a girl love mix, man. What a girl love mix. Girl love mixing. Alright, so once me done that now, I'm gonna add my ketchup. Yes, add a little bit of ketchup right there, so. And then I'm gonna add piece more pepper, because your liver after spicy, your liver after spicy. Yes, and then we mix that in, mix, and maybe add a little tip of white sugar in it. I didn't get to capture that, but yeah, I add a little bit of white sugar. And then me mix and get everything nice and coated. And you have to test the pot. You have to test the pot to know if you want look adjustment or so. So yeah, man, you test out your pot them, and if you taste like you want look adjustment, you do the adjustment right here. And once me done that now, me add a little bit more water. Alright, so when me add a little water, I realize it's spicy was not as spicy as how I like it. So good girl, add little more pepper to the pot. Because I love with my liver spicy, like extra spicy. So alright, so now me mix that in. Man, cause your liver look good, man. And then I'll cover it. I'm going to leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes, make it one with tea. And right here, so now I'm going to check back my pot and tell you guys, when you open the pot, you see that steam that will come out of the pot. Oh my god, it smells so good. Like, I literally can't explain how good it smells. My tooth, my mouth run water right now. Yeah, so look pan gravy. Look pan gravy. As so gravy if you look. As so liver gravy if you look. Yeah, man. So yeah, man, the food is ready, and this is my dinner. This is my liver dinner. So yes, guys. So this is what my dinner looked like when I prepared this chicken liver with jasmine rice, a side of corn, and of course some tomato. Alright, lovely. So let me know in the comment section if this stew chicken liver something you will try at home, and tell me, grade me and tell me how me do. Grade me and tell me how me do, and you need to try this recipe, guys, and let me know your thoughts on it as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more amazing video to come. If you're not yet a part of the family, subscribe and hit that post notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching.